Hey everyone, Chris, the Thrift Shop Hustler. Today we have Garbage Pail Kids. Oh, the horrible unboxing. Went to Target today, saw that these just came out. This is a throwback definitely for me. For what started it all was 1986 Garbage Pail Kids. So this is very nostalgic to me. There's the potentials of sketch cards, printing plates, gold, artist autograph, and artist autograph sketch cards. So we're probably not going to get those, but you never know. So let's get cracking. So we're going to do a little video and unboxing. There's 5 packs in here. There's about 45 cards total. They are all stickers, and there's 3 exclusive Bathroom Buddy stickers, whatever the hell that is. Let's get right into it, shall we? Been looking forward for this one. I knew about this set for a while. I was glad to see this at Target. I love the tombstone packaging. That is absolutely amazing. This glare thing is going to bug the shit out of me. So yeah, that's that. There's 5 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This must be the Bathroom Buddies. We got Bloody Boris. I guess we can open these. Usually I would just leave this kind of stuff sealed, but we'll check them out. We got Bloody Boris, Batter Upton, and Glad Vlad. As you can see, for those that have ever collected Garbage Pail Kids, you know there's an A and a B. There's 2 different names for the same style art. So that is that. I'll put those to the side. Pack number 1, as we can see here, we got a green splatter card. It looks like we got Rod Sterling, Saucy Sammy, Kraken, Handy Sandy, and we got a Bob Blob, which is a green parallel card. It's unnumbered. As you can see, there's green splatter. That's actually a parallel. I'm not exactly sure what the odds are for that. The gold one, the gold splatter, is the hardest one to find, to my knowledge. We got Massacred Matt and Simon Says, which is like, I guess that would be Close Encounters of the Third Kind. That's actually pretty funny. Pack number 2, that was actually a cool pack. The 86 Tops cards were definitely, I think we have a gold one in there, are definitely, the stickers nowadays are a lot better. The stickers that were back in the day were paperish. They were very shitty. We got a Selfie Georgie, that's from like It, Brad Tasty, Tar Manny, Predator, that's actually a really cool one. That's a green splatter. And we got actually a gold splatter card. I think that's the gold one. Centipeda, I think that's the gold one. I mean, it is yellow. And we got Lars of Darkness, Splitting Sigourney, and Bad Bruce. So I think that's the gold one. Actually, that looks like yellow to me. Let me see if there's odds on a yellow one here. Base Parallels.
Not.
So there's that. Pack number 3, as we open up this one. This one looks like it also has a green, maybe the green parallels are in each one of them. Mute Michael. There's Selfie Georgie again. There's Gamora. So I guess we get a green one in every pack. We got Jersey Delvin, Snake Pit Pat, Wade Blade. Oh my god, that's from Puppet Master. How funny is that? And we got Snot Dot from Blair Witch, obviously. Pack number 4, as we got here, we got another green one in here. Horrific Vic, Wicked Wanda, Leather Chase, Chloe Encounters, Creature Craig is also the green parallel. Obey Jay, that's definitely from They Live. That's pretty funny. Eliminate and Veggie Reggie. Last pack we got here. And we got Brad Taste, Tar Manny, Horrific, Jumping Jack, Kurt Tussle as Snake Plissken. That's pretty funny. Swamp Bing, Midnight Jack, and Ramona Control. Very, very cool. So those are cards. No super rare inserts here other than that. This one, I'm thinking that's a gold one. I'm not completely sure. We'll have to check on that for sure. And really cool set. Really cool set. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Also, if you're not subscribed, definitely click the subscribe button. Let me know what you think. If you want me to do some more of these kind of weird pack openings and things like that, definitely leave a comment below, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care.
What you know about rocking the wolf on your noggin? What you knowin' about wearing a bird box skin? I'm digging, I'm searching right through that luggage. One man's trash, that's another man's. Your granddad,